New to the world of guns? Don't panic, we have some great suggestions to get you started right. If you are a beginner or are looking to train a beginner on the use of handguns, we've put together a list of handguns that are perfect for beginners, and we'll show you in detail why we believe they're the best. Every single one of these guns is a great pick for starters. Before we get into it, do like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Now, let's get started. Number 5. Springfield Armory XDM Elite. In the middle of the table, we've got the Springfield Armory XDM Elite. This pistol strikes a balance between capacity and reliability, making it a versatile choice for various scenarios. With an impressive mag capacity up to 22 rounds, the XDM Elite is a standout option for those situations demanding a substantial amount of ammunition. The XDM Elite doesn't just stop at capacity, it excels in precision as well. The 4.5-inch barrel combined with luminescent sights ensures exceptional accuracy in different shooting environments. The pistol's textured frame enhances grip, providing a secure and comfortable hold. Additionally, the improved trigger contributes to the overall shooting experience, offering a smooth and responsive feel. Designed with a discerning shooter in mind, the Springfield Armory XDM Elite proves itself as a reliable companion, ready to meet the demands of both enthusiasts and those seeking a trustworthy firearm for personal defense. Number 4. Smith & Wesson MP Shield EZ. The Smith & Wesson MP Shield EZ is a semi-automatic pistol designed with specific features to ease handling and accessibility, available in calibers like 9mm. It features an easy load magazine with a capacity of 8 or 9 rounds, depending on the model. Its striker firing system and light recoil spring simplify slide operation, benefiting shooters with less hand strength. The textured grip and ambidextrous controls offer comfort and accessibility. It has a moderate length barrel and a weight suitable for concealed carry. Additionally, it incorporates safety features like the trigger safety and integrated safeties to ensure secure handling. Together, these specifications make the MP Shield EZ a versatile and user-friendly option, especially designed for beginners and those who prefer a simpler handling experience. Number 3. Smith & Wesson MMP 2.0. The Smith & Wesson MP 2.0 is a semi-automatic pistol known for its robustness and functionality. Available in various calibers, including the popular 9mm, it boasts a generous mag capacity, with a variable length barrel ranging from 4.25 to 5 inches depending on the model. The MP M2.0 offers options to suit shooter preferences. Its striker firing system provides consistent and precise shots, while safety features like integrated safeties and trigger safety ensure secure handling. The textured grip and ambidextrous capability contribute to a comfortable and controlled hold. This pistol also features a sturdy polymer frame and the ability to mount accessories on the Picatinny rail, enhancing its versatility. An excellent choice for beginners due to its intuitive design and shooter-friendly features. With a striker firing system, it delivers consistent and predictable shots, making firearm handling familiar for newcomers. The textured grip and ambidextrous controls allow for a comfortable and accessible hold, suitable for different hand types. Additionally, built-in safety features such as an integrated safety and trigger safety provide an extra layer of protection during handling and storage. The ability to adjust the polymer frame contributes to a positive and lasting shooting experience. Overall, the Smith & Wesson MP M2.0 strikes a balance of accessibility, safety, and performance, making it ideal for those entering the world of firearms. Number 4. Walther PPQ Q5 Match SF. We just entered into the top 4 in this list. We have some really high quality right there. Let's continue with the PPQ Q5 Match SF. This pistol is a masterclass in the fusion of precision and speed, tailored for dynamic competition shooting. Boasting a 5-inch barrel and a 15-round mag capacity, the Q5 Match SF takes performance to the next level. One of the standout features is Walther's quick defense trigger system, allowing for rapid and precise firing. This makes the PPQ Q5 Match SF a favorite among competitive shooters who value swift and accurate shot placement. The pistol's ergonomic design, combined with a robust polymer frame, ensures a comfortable and controlled shooting experience even in prolonged sessions. Additionally, the PPQ Q5 Match SF's enhanced features extend to its customizable grip panels, enabling shooters to achieve the perfect fit for their hands. Number 1. Glock 19 Gen 5. In the first place, we have the Glock 19 Gen 5. It stands out as an ideal choice for beginners entering the world of firearms. With a reliable and proven design, this pistol offers easy use thanks to its intuitive controls and accessible handling. Its minimal recoil makes it easy for new shooters to adapt, while its versatile size and sufficient magazine capacity make it suitable for practice and training. Additionally, its simplicity and maintenance contributes to a hassle-free experience for those taking their first steps into the shooting world. The Glock 19 Gen 5 excels as an option that combines reliability, ease of use, and performance, making it a valuable companion for those looking to learn and improve their skills as novice shooters. The Glock 19 Gen 5 is a compact semi-automatic pistol that's gained worldwide recognition for its reliability and versatility. Chambered in 9mm, it has a standard capacity of 15 rounds. With a 4-inch barrel and striker firing system, the Gen 5 delivers precise performance. It incorporates safety features such as the trigger safety and integral safeties, and features an ergonomic design with textured grip and ambidextrous capability. The introduction of the slotless slide system enhances durability and recoil management. As we conclude this in-depth exploration of some of the most iconic firearms, we're eager to hear your thoughts. Which of these weapons left the most lasting impression on you? Share your opinions and suggestions for future content in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable to us. If you've enjoyed this content, remember to subscribe to Guns N' Roses, give us a thumbs up, and ring the notification bell to stay informed about all our upcoming releases. Thank you for joining us. We can't wait to welcome you back in our next video.